Is he your friend? Yes, he is my friend. Peter. Thank you, Clara can run. Clara can dance too. Let's swim together. Hi, Dad. I am Simchang. Who's Simchang? Who's this? Oh, Dad. I am Simchang. Open your eyes. Wow, Simchang. Who is she? Who's that? This is my dad. What's this? It is for you. Thank you. Hello, I'm Alice. Wow, I can fly. Hello, Alice. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Can you fly? No, I can't. I can jump. Wow, great. Bye. See you later. Alice, this is the Queen. Nice to meet you, Alice. Nice to meet you too. Can you play the violin? Yes, I can play the violin. I can play the violin. Alice, can you play the violin? Happy birthday. This is for you. It is for you. Thank you. Can you fly? No, I can't. Can you dance? Sorry, I can't. Can you jump? No, I can't. Can you swim? Yes, I can. Good. Let's swim together. Let's swim. Okay. Oh no. Oh, I can swim. Good morning, Toto. Good morning, Bunny. Okay. Hi, Kiki. Hello, I'm Kiki. Hello, Kiki. I'm Toto.